What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the first details about the Xiaomi 14 Pro smartphone display. Xiaomi 14 Pro first exposure. Latest screen details leaked on the network. First information reveals iPhone 15 Pro rival. A well-known insider promises an ultra-thin frame. The display will be produced by CSOT. Chinese manufacturing giant Xiaomi released the Xiaomi 13 lineup back in December. At the launch event, the company unveiled the Xiaomi 13 and Xiaomi 13 Pro smartphones. There are reports that it will still launch the Xiaomi 13 Ultra in the coming months. However, there are now reports about its upcoming flagship lineup Xiaomi 14. According to popular tech insider Ice Universe, the Xiaomi 14 screen will be narrower than that of the iPhone. In addition, the supplier of the display will be Hue-Xing Optoelectronics. An insider known on Weibo and Twitter under the nickname Ice Universe revealed the first details about the Xiaomi 14 display. According to him, the display frame of the promising Xiaomi flagship will be smaller than the iPhone 14 Pro frame, and CSOT will be the screen supplier. CSOT, known as China Star Optoelectronics Technology, known as Shenzhen Hue-Xing Photoelectric Technology, is part of the TCL structure. Hue-Xing currently created a screen with a super thin border, attaining an ultra-thin design with a four-sided border. One of its latest development is a screen with a frame width of only about 1 mm. The company emphasized that the frame is 23% smaller than the flagship standard of 1.45 mm. It is possible that the Xiaomi 14 will receive just such a display. Then, while maintaining the compactness of the current Xiaomi 13, the new model will be able to offer a screen with a slightly larger diagonal, about 6.3 inches display. In addition, the same source said that the Xiaomi 14 will have extremely small margins for the screen. That is, the screen bezels will be smaller in the next generation, as in the future Apple iPhone 15 Pro to arrive, it seems, in September 2023. Finally, it should be noted that it is extremely early for us to have the slightest certainty about the Xiaomi 14 smartphone. The next generation of smartphones should be announced by Xiaomi in December 2023 in China and only later in 2024 in Europe. Previously, Ice Universe was one of the first to talk about smartphones with waterfall screens, the notch on the iPhone X, the new design of the iPhone 14, and Samsung's 200-megapixel image sensor. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.